In surveying today, every project begins with a choice you might not even realize you're making. Do you send a team out into the field? Or do you send technology into the sky? Because while fieldwork has built this industry from the ground up, remote sensing is quietly reshaping what efficiency really looks like. And the difference between the two isn't just technical, it's financial. You might think traditional fieldwork is the cheaper option, and on the surface it is, but once you factor in travel, manpower, time spent on site, and the cost of repeating measurements when something goes wrong, the numbers start to tell a different story. Whereas remote sensing demands a bigger upfront investment, but once it's in place, every additional project becomes faster, cheaper, and far more scalable. Time is where the gap becomes impossible to ignore, because what takes days or even weeks to measure manually can now be captured in just a few hours using drones or satellite data. And that speed doesn't just save money, it opens the door to taking on more clients, delivering faster results, and staying ahead in a competitive market. When it comes to accuracy, fieldwork gives you precision at specific points, but remote sensing gives you something much bigger: a complete picture, dense datasets, detailed 3D models, and consistent coverage across massive areas. Which means fewer blind spots, fewer revisits, and better decision-making from the very start. There's also the reality of risk, because sending teams into difficult terrain, harsh weather, or high-traffic environments isn't just challenging, it's dangerous. And remote sensing reduces that exposure significantly, allowing you to collect the same data without putting people in harm's way. As projects grow, scalability becomes the defining factor, and while fieldwork demands more people and more time for every new site, remote sensing allows a single team to handle multiple locations efficiently, expanding your capacity without expanding your workforce at the same rate. One of the biggest advantages of remote sensing is consistency, because unlike fieldwork that can vary depending on who is collecting the data or how conditions change on site, remote systems capture information in a standardized way every single time, making datasets easier to compare, analyze, and reuse across projects without human variability affecting the outcome. Remote sensing also opens access to areas that are otherwise nearly impossible to reach, whether it's dense forests, flood zones, restricted land, or unstable terrain, allowing critical data collection without delays or complex logistics that would slow down a field team. Another major advantage is data reusability, because once the data is captured, it can be stored, revisited, and reanalyzed without returning to the site, saving both time and cost whenever project requirements evolve or new insights are needed. However, remote sensing comes with its own limitations, and one of the biggest is its dependency on technology and environmental conditions. Because factors like cloud cover, poor lighting, or equipment issues can impact data quality or delay operations. There's also a learning curve involved, as adopting these technologies requires training, software expertise, and sometimes specialized personnel, which can be a barrier for smaller teams or those used to traditional workflows. Processing large volumes of data is another challenge, because while remote sensing captures massive datasets, turning that raw information into meaningful insights requires strong computing power, time, and technical skill. On the other hand, fieldwork offers real-time adaptability, allowing surveyors to adjust measurements, verify anomalies, and respond instantly to unexpected site conditions in a way that remote systems cannot always replicate. Fieldwork also provides strong legal and regulatory reliability, especially for boundary surveys and official documentation, where physical presence and direct measurement are often required for validation and compliance. But fieldwork has its downsides too, particularly human limitation, because long hours, fatigue, and challenging environments can lead to errors, reduced efficiency, and increased risk over time. It also struggles with data density, as even the most skilled team can only capture a limited number of points compared to the vast and continuous datasets generated through remote sensing, often leading to gaps that require additional visits. Despite all of this, fieldwork still holds its ground where it matters most, especially in tasks that require on-site validation, legal precision, or highly detailed engineering measurements. which is why the real advantage doesn't come from choosing one over the other, but from knowing how to combine both. And the surveyors who understand this shift aren't just saving time or money, they're building smarter workflows, reducing risk and maximizing the true return on every project they take on. At the end of the day, remote sensing isn't replacing fieldwork, it's elevating it.